Hey, what's up guys? Joe Carabassa here, founder of Melt Fitness Studio. And I just wanted to do a quick video to give you an update on what we got going on and to formally introduce our new logo. As I'm sure you've probably seen it on our Facebook page and even in our new studios and our new locations. And so I just want to give you a kind of explanation as to what's going on. And before I get started though, it's important for me to really express to you, whether you're watching this and you're one of our members or you're not, that our members, you guys, are the primary focus in everything that we do. Our motto, our mantra as a company, as a team, is to be the best part of your day, every day. Deliver the best possible experience to help you drop body fat, tone up, feel great about yourself, have more energy, do the things you want to do outside of working out, and move and be addicted. You know, one of the greatest compliments I think we can get is when all of our clients tell us how much, you know, they used to hate working out, but this is the only thing that's ever worked for them. And you know, that means so much to us. And that's why at Melt, if you look at our Facebook page, we attend one of our social gatherings we do, it's a group of people who really like each other. You know, it's not just a place to work out, it's a hangout. It's, you know, it's amazing to see people who've come here and met and have become best friends. You know, who were complete strangers before. You know, no judgment environment, and that's something that we're very proud of, and that we only plan to improve upon, and just to foster it even more and make it even better. And that's what we're dedicated to. So I just want you to know that as you see some changes, it's only awesome changes. We're only getting better at what we do. Our team is dedicated to constantly learning the best things that are out there, and being able to use the most efficient and effective functional equipment there is out there for our clients, for our members and prospective members. So you just know that, and things are only going to get better. I can promise you that. I started to think, you know, we need like a symbol, a logo to kind of identify us, you know, what we do. And you know, I realized not only do we need that, we want our own protection, because at Melt, as you've seen, you know, we started off with one location. Now we have locations all throughout Connecticut, 3 actual facilities, and then corporate locations, in-home clients, and we are looking to help. Since day number 1, we've been looking to grow and help more people, and that is continuing to be our focus as our team gets bigger. And you know, we know one thing's consistent, is that our solution works for most people. I would say 99% of the people in this world, whether you're fit or unfit, never worked out before, our 30-minute workout is the best possible solution, because it's quick and it gives you results, better results than spending more time, like an hour. So knowing that, it's our obligation to bring it to more people. So as you will see in coming months and coming years, we are going to be expanding our offerings to help more people, both in the state of Connecticut and beyond the state of Connecticut. To, you know, listen, we're dealing with something very serious right now. 65% of our population is overweight and not working out. Not working out because they either hate it or because they don't think they have the time. We know at Melt, you have the time. It's our 30-minute workout, and also, it's not really a workout, it's an experience. So you look forward to working out. So, you know, that's, you know, something we're very excited about, and all of our members are a part of it, part of our mission. You know, from day 1, our grassroots way of growing was referrals. You know, we spent our marketing budget on buying more equipment for our members and educating our team so we can get better for our members. We don't want to spend it on, you know, marketing through papers and traditional marketing that costs all this money and doesn't directly benefit our members. So, you know, we've always grown through referrals. It's how we plan to continue growing, and just wanted you to know that. So this new logo, drum roll please, as you've already seen, I guess no drum roll needed, is right here. This M stands for more energy, less time. It stands for the metabolically active muscles you get from our training, where you're burning 50 calories at rest per pound of muscle. It stands for everything, yeah, you know, it stands for community, what you find here. It's the strangers who become friends. It's the place that you want to go. You want to go to work out. You don't regret. It's not the thing that shows up on your credit card statement where like, oh God, I forgot I'm a member there. It's like, hell yes, I'm a member there. It's worth every dollar because I'm a part of something great. You know, like I said, we're growing. We're growing with our members, and it's a team. They're part of everything we do. And it's important for you know, you guys to really resonate with this logo and be damn proud of it, because it's you. It's Melt. You are Melt. We are Melt. There's no I's, any of us here. It's not just me or just my team. It's all of our members, everybody together. So I want you to be proud of this logo, and I was not asking for this at all, and it really took me by surprise. One of our members is actually getting it tattooed, which is really cool. I'm not suggesting necessarily you should do that unless you want to. I mean, hey, be awesome. But anyway, I just wanted to give you a quick, update as to what we got going on. A lot of exciting stuff here. We're growing, we're helping more people, and if you're not currently a part of it, we'd love to help you too. And be proud of this, because this is you, this is us, and it's really the direction that we're going in. And as always, 30-minute workout, 48-hour fat burn, and our website is meltworkout.com or meltfitnessstudio.com. They both redirect to the same place, and like I said, primary focus is helping people become healthy and feeling amazing about themselves. And we look forward, we are so thankful and pumped at the opportunity to help more people. Thanks.